Hello and welcome to the Canon R6 remote tutorial. First of all, it features a button over here. When I flip over, you'll notice that there is a switch here. So let's say if I'm taking a photograph, right? If I select the circle here, basically it means I can just fire immediately. And if I select to the 2 seconds mode, basically what it does is after 2 seconds it will then fire. Okay? So right at the bottom is where you will put your battery. So just follow the instructions here. So 1 is to peel open, and then for 2 is to remove the tray. So once you remove the tray, there is the battery compartment. So over here it says CR2025, so this is the battery that you should use. So over here, once you purchase, you have this CR2025, this is what you want to buy. Okay, and then for the direction of the battery, if you notice here, there is 2+, so you have to go according to the direction. So now I put them back together. Now let's get to the camera. For this demonstration, I'm using the Canon 80D camera. In order to change the setting, go over to Q over here. So instead of using single shooting, go over to the 2-second remote. So that is all you need to set up the remote actually. So now in order for it to fire, right, make sure that it is close to this circle IR sensor over here. So once I fire, it should immediately fire. You will also notice that there is this light that will blink when you fire. So now when I set it to 2 seconds over here, it will take 2 seconds to fire. What if I want to do a video recording? No worries, get your remote, go to the back, and then go over to the 2-second mode in order for it to work. Okay, so now I'm on my video recording mode. Now go over to your IR, make sure that it's close enough when you fire, and when you fire you can see that there is light, and then over here it is recording. So now in order to stop, I just press again, and that's how it works. So you might be wondering, hey, it seems to be not working on my camera. No worries, it could be something to do with your setting. So first of all, go over to your menu and then set it to this. Half press metering plus AF, and then fully press start stop movie recording, and then select OK. So this is in the camera icon on the 5th page of it, and then also enable remote control in order for it to work. Okay, and now it should be working, and enjoy shooting. Bye!